Hello, everyone. My name is Stephanie, and I am an academic success coach in the Office of Retention and Student Success Initiatives. Thank you so much for coming to our workshop today to learn a little bit more about how we can help you in the Office of Retention and Student Success. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so that we can get this going. So for a lot of you, you might be wondering, what is retention? What exactly does this office do? How can I utilize it to the best of my ability? And I am here to help you learn all about that. Okay, so first and foremost, what is our mission? And I'm actually going to read just right off of the screen here. And that is to ensure that all students have the necessary supports, both inside and outside of the classroom, to fully realize their academic and personal potential at Ohio State-Newark. So long story short, we are here to make sure that you have everything that you need to be successful inside and outside of the classroom on the Retention and Student Success Initiatives team. So what are some ways that we do that? Well, we do have a team of academic success coaches, so like myself, who actually meet one-on-one with students to go over a variety of topics and concerns, from academic concerns, time management, procrastination, to personal concerns, self-care, personal well-being, how to get involved on campus, social things, all of that. We are here to help. We also host student success workshops, which are offered all throughout the year on a variety of those topics that you can meet one-on-one with us about as well. So things like how to conquer procrastination, how to use your time wisely from high school to college, how to study for specific classes, how to overcome test intimidation and anxiety. There's just a lot of things that we cover in those student success workshops, and they are offered both in person and virtually. This academic year, all student success workshops are actually located in Warner Room 175 and virtually at go.osu.edu/Zoom workshops. Another way that our office is able to help students while they're with us is through academic outreach. So you might have a faculty member who puts in a referral to our office for you because they realize that you're struggling in their class. We also might have a faculty member reach out and say, hey, we want you to come and chat with our class about your office and the resources that you offer, or any of those topics like time management, procrastination, all of that. So we try to be as many places as we can and as supportive as we can for you so that you can be successful while you're on our campus. Some of the questions you might ask yourself that might be a little light bulb for maybe I should pursue the resources that the Office of Retention and Student Success offers are here on the screen. So have you ever asked yourself any of these questions? How can I be prepared to do well in my class? How do I create an academic success plan? I got a bad grade on an exam, now what do I do? What resources are there on campus for me? There are, of course, a lot of other questions that are in that same realm. This is not an exhaustive list, but if you find yourself asking any of those questions or anything in those realms, then definitely consider meeting with a member of our team. So this is what our team looks like. We have 4 academic success coaches. Jamie is the director of our team, and then myself, Ashley, and Corinne are all academic success coaches. If you're in a learning community, you might recognize Ashley. She would be the person that you would meet with on our team, and she is likely also one of your instructors for your learning community class. If you are interested in meeting with any of us to get help academically, personally, or socially, the instructions on how to schedule an appointment with our team are located right on the screen. Feel free to take a screenshot, a picture with your phone, whatever works for you. But the quickest and easiest way to schedule an appointment with us is through OnCourse. If you're not familiar with OnCourse, that is perfectly fine. The link is right on the screen, but it's pretty easy, and I'm going to walk you through it. So once you log into your student homepage on OnCourse, you'll see a blue schedule appointment button that should be on the right-hand side. You can click on that button, and then you would select from the drop-down Student Success Services, And the location would obviously be Newark, which would connect you to our office here. And then you would just follow the remaining prompts. Remember to put some comments in there when you schedule the appointment so we can know why you would like to meet and best prepare for your appointment before you arrive. Of course, like our student success workshops, we offer virtual and in-person appointments with each of us on the team. So whatever works better for you, if you need a little bit more flexibility and you're not on campus all the time, but you want to meet with us, that's okay. We can meet virtually via Zoom. If you have any questions or want to reach out before you schedule an appointment with a member of our team, we do have our contact information on the screen as well. You can call or email us. For those visual learners like myself, I wanted to provide a little snippet of what your OnCourse student homepage looks like so that you can kind of see what things would look like when you go to schedule an appointment with us. So this is how your student homepage looks. Your roster of classes is on there and everything else is on the right-hand side. That blue schedule appointment button that I just pointed out is there, as well as any upcoming appointments. So those are reminders for any appointments that you have with a success coach or with anyone else on campus are right there, as well as your success team. So your success team includes people like your academic advisor, your academic success coach, one of us, your instructors, various things like that. So that's just how OnCourse looks for those of you who aren't familiar, but definitely get in there and schedule an appointment with us. If you have anything come up, feel free to go in there and just look around as well. So outside of personal one-on-one appointments, what other resources do we have for students? Well, we do have some awesome resources available for you online that are in the form of self-paced modules. We have the Road to Success that has a variety of topics on there for you to learn more about on your own, online, at your own pace. Things like time management skills, conquering procrastination, conquering test intimidation and anxiety, study strategies. All of those topics are located through the Road to Success, located on our website. And we also have Student Lingo. So Student Lingo is actually a third-party form that we use for students to have access to a variety of resources and self-paced modules to learn about some of those things that I mentioned. Time management, procrastination, how to do well in your classes, but there's also some self-care modules in there, as well as, you know, some professional modules as well if you want to learn about resume building and different things like that. So there's a lot of really awesome things in Student Lingo that some are in the Road to Success, but some aren't. All you have to do is create a free account through Student Lingo. The link is on our website, and you can start taking a look at all of those and moving at your own pace to learn more about those topics as well. Sometimes it might be helpful to do a self-paced module on a topic that you're struggling with, like time management per se. And then if you go through everything and you have questions and you want to dive deeper, then you can meet with one of us on the Retention and Student Success Initiatives team to further dive into that topic and help you. And just a thought. I did want to go ahead and include the QR code to our website since I mentioned it so much, so you can actually scan that and explore the online resources and everything that we have to offer on our website yourself. And then lastly, just to reiterate, wanted to put our contact information back on the screen so that if you do have any questions along the way, you know where to reach us. And of course, we are going to be offering more student success workshops, just like the one that you viewed today. So you can scan this QR code here and see the full schedule of student success workshops that we are hosting this year. Lastly, one more QR code coming at you. If you want to leave feedback on today's workshop and any other topics that you might want to see us cover, please scan the QR code on the screen and take our very short survey so that we can continue to provide these for you. Thank you so much for coming to this workshop today. We really hope that you utilize all the amazing resources that we have in the Office of Retention and Student Success Initiatives, and we hope that you have a great semester.